I'm going to show you how to put together this beautiful planter.
First step, find 2 L's and 2 L1s, and the instructions are adamant that make sure you put it together right, because once you click these pieces together, you can't undo them. All right, so we're gonna take this and we're gonna do 1, 2, press it. Okay, so there's L. Now you're gonna find the same thing, but it's gonna be R and R1. All right, so it shows this facing like that, and then the R1 faces this way, like this. Now look for this part, it's labeled B, and we're gonna need 2 of this number 5. 5 goes here and here, which is here. Oh, that's weird. Why didn't it just come, why did they make it like that? I don't know why they just make it a solid piece, but okay. And then we're gonna find C and do the same thing. That makes no sense to me. Maybe that'll be apparent why they designed it like that. Oh, we're only gonna need 1. So this C only needs 1 of these number 5. All right, now we need A. There should be 2 A's, and then we're gonna use these 5s again. There's 2 of these, this must be A. I just noticed these pieces have directionals, and yes, this is A, so find these 2 panel pieces. So we're going to find these 2 5s and click them into these mystery slots. Now we take a left and a right. So you're gonna take your right, you're gonna slide that gray into the channel like that, and then do the same with the left over there. Click it into place. Okay, so then go ahead and do the same thing with the other panel, A. You're going to look for side C, which was here. You're gonna wanna have it facing down like that, and we're going to attach it. And those tabs line up, and push. Okay, until it clicks, and then do the other side, same thing. Okay, so that will click into place. So now we're left with this. And now we're gonna find the other side. And set it like that. You wanna make sure these holes are facing down because the casters are going to connect there. And same thing, you just wanna push this. Okay, push this side. Looks like I forgot a couple of these. Okay, so now find the casters. Okay, these casters are not all the same. 2 of them are gonna have a lock and 2 don't. It shows the lock ones going both on that side. Interesting, okay. I don't know that I want both of the casters on one side because then that side could wobble. I might do both of them on the back or the front. That way, I would think it would be more in place, but this part is up to you. I'm not gonna be able to film this and push. So now this is flipped over. So look for part E. So just line up that notch. Oh, that just fits down in here. So now we're gonna look for this piece. Clip in there. Now we're gonna find the number 1, and it looks like a spindle. Is that supposed to be on there? I don't think that's supposed to be on there. I just took that off. Okay, so we're gonna take that, and it looks like you push it down into that hole. That's really cute. Okay. All right, push that. That's cute. And then look for this part, number 6. Okay, it's in this little baggie, and it's gonna go in that drainage hole. Okay, so it looks like it just pushes, and it shows that side up. All right, so that's that. Now we're gonna find these 3 things. You might have to compress, because that wants to come out. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get these lined up, all 3 spots. I'm gonna turn on the side and give this a little push, because it shows them going in and then you're supposed to turn them. Well, you can't if it keeps flopping out. Push down a little bit and then you take these and turn them. All right, so you're gonna need 2 of these and 2 of these. And these 2 are gonna go on the front, and then these are gonna go on the back. Now, you might have to, and if you break yours, don't yell at me, but these parts, you almost need to have like a rubber mallet to gently push them in place, but it's too hard to do. it shows it going with that opening forward. Like that. And like that. Okay, now I think we're ready for panels. Okay, so we're gonna find panel F and seat that on. Panel F, where are ya? Are these all the same? They look to be the same, and they look to be like you could put them in any direction. So I'll take this and slide it on. Okay, and slide that on. I'm gonna do that in increments, a little on each side. Oh yeah, again, it's hard to do one-handed. All right, so I'm gonna get that in place. That was really hard to push down. I had to use a rubber mallet. Don't just go cracking at it though. I put a piece of wood on and gently tapped that to fill that gap. Okay, so it looks like we just repeat those steps with the remainder of these pieces and those panels. Oh man, I wish these were easier to put in. I'm just gonna repeat these steps until all 3 panels are on. There's no way I would have been able to push those on there without the wooden block and the rubber mallet. Just be careful to do a little bit each side, go into increments, working back and forth. Okay, last step is to take these caps and press them on. All right, that's it. I hope this video was helpful. If you want to order this beautiful product, I'll link it right here in the orange card.